Wow. Interesting. Amazing. That's so cool. Wow. Huh. And obviously this is a beautiful property. Brushy Creek. Pretty poor water quality. But at least there's water in it. They have too much like sewer system connected to it over here in Round Rock. All this nitrogen and algae and whatnot. It's pretty nice. Wow. It's crazy how there's no signs about the property here. So easy to get there. Really nice. This is so strange. I mean, nice and scenic. All this architecture, though. So extravagant. The Rabb house. I've driven past the driveway, but once you get back here, the playground is so incredible. Of course, they have like this built up area for the best. Boy. Whoop, whoop. Ah. The best water for whatever business they got going on here. And come down here and know right where to go. Wow. Nice looking water. Oh, yes. They chose shade today. It certainly is hot. Nice to launch a canoe in here, I guess. I wonder how long the water stays at a decent depth without drying out. Hey, squirrel. Aw. I know you're so hot. I'll get out of your way. Won't bug ya. And they definitely do close access to this when they have events. See some more water. Here. Won't disturb you. Disturbed enough water birds today. Real nice. Oh, that gets real shallow there. Oh, he flew away anyway. It's untrustworthy birds. Can't blame them. I'm gonna turn around and head back because it's already too late. I know this goes for a long time, but the next time I come, I'll start at this park and then keep going. This playground is really so crazy. It's like one of those Japanese, like, teach the kids how to be like working adults kind of place. You wanna work in a truck stop? Car wash? They have lots of stuff. They even have a buckle up, like, swing that's like for toddlers but for adult size. Come here with your baby diaper lover. See? It's like a grown-up size swing. Silly. It says it's for everybody. For everybody. It's the fanciest playground I've ever seen. Amazing megaliths up here. Rock wall. This guy's having the time of a trip. I'm see when I walked past the first time. Lots of rocks, hard to see. Looks like fall. Weather says otherwise. That water is dark, spooky. Take you somewhere spooky, alright? These rocks are so crazy because they're like mud or something. It's not like solid rock. This would be so spooky at night. Like the spookiest. Come here on Halloween. I don't know. Either it was stacked or some parts were taking out. It's really amazing though. Hard to see. Dude, you've got to be kidding me. I almost wasn't, I was like gonna record, then I wasn't. But this right here was a freaking alligator gar. It came out of the water and snapped at me and everything. Amazing. Come here fishing for your gar. It's a pretty good pool. Wow. I've never seen that before. Hilarious. It looked like a sea monster. Crazy. Yep, sun was real for me and I'm wiped.